Dem say we soft like sponge, say we be spark we go off. Dem say we be river we go dry for sun, say we light like feathers, we no strong. But dem no know say we be stone, stone wey solid like rock. See, we rock pass Olumo rock. Make I yarn you, as woman, we don waka through fire, e no burn us. We don swim inside stormy sea, e no swallow us. Dem try cover our voice, we loud am. Dem try bury our vision, we echo am. See that city wey stand gidigbam upon a hill, na we be that. Dem no fit ignore us. Our strength pass 1,000 man soldier. Our wisdom unko, 3 wise men still dey learn work. We be warriors on hill, forget packaging. We dey slaughter, we dey kill. Ask Deborah and Jael for Bible. Who fit break the one wey dey bet kings, wey dey bet nations? Who fit silence the voice wey dey echo generations? We be fire, we be flame. We no fit lose, no be game. Like river, tears don comot for our eyes. Womanhood no be ice. E no be cream, e no be ice cream. Sometimes e no sweet. Tears don touch our face like rain. But still, we go rise, we go shake off the pain. We no be Superman, but we get the superpower to multiply things. If you give us little rain, we will give you ocean. Give us little light, we will give you sunshine. Give us little sperm, we will give you family. We dey really gifted to turn things around. If life throw us lemon, we go make lemonade. If he fire us stone, we go use am build mansion. If he give us bitter leaf, only the soup go come out. We be queen, we dey bold. We be all that glitters, we still be gold. Life fit test us, pain fit knock us, but we go still stand strong pass Olumo rock. So if dem ask you, who fit stand like stone? Who fit win no matter how things be? Tell them say na we, woman, we rock pass Olumo rock.